guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be doing the no makeup look using only 5 or 6 products which I recently bought. I'll be trying these for the first time in this video, so let's get started. Firstly, I'm using the Benefit Professional Pore Primer. I love this primer. It provides a perfect smooth silky base for your makeup. I'll be ordering the bigger packaging really soon. I really loved it. Now moving on for concealer, I'll be using MILANI foundation and concealer. I really like this for everyday use. It's blendable and has a medium to full coverage. This blends easily without creasing. Also, it stays put for long hours. You won't believe, but I went out wearing this for almost 9 to 10 hours and it was the same. I did not saw any change in it, maybe because the primer was good and it provided a long-lasting base. But whatever, my makeup stayed really put. Also guys, I'll link all the products, so don't forget to check the description. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram and other social platforms, I have linked all my socials as well in the description, so do check it. Also guys, this wasn't the video that I was planning to shoot, but while I was shooting the video, I got a call and I had to run somewhere. But I still shot the video after I came home, which I'll be posting as a next part 2 of this video, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go do it right now. Also press the bell icon to get notified every time I post. And guys, here is a little trick that I use. I use setting spray almost after every step of my makeup, and instead of directly spraying it on my face, I damp my beauty blender and brushes. This way it provides a smoother and natural finish and sets all the makeup in place. For blush, I tried using the Love Tint, but I did not like it. Although I gave it another try, but that time I blended it using my fingers and it gave a natural blush look. But in this video, I didn't like it. So I used my go-to blush, which is Dotter Earth Tint. Use the same on my eyes as well. Now I'm setting everything using my Glam Banana Powder. I really like this yellow one more than the translucent setting powders. I guess it provides more coverage. And for my lashes, I'm using LOreal Lash Paradise Mascara. If you use this, there is no going back. This has become my go-to mascara. One coat and you are done. You can really see the difference. I mean, wow. You guys need to try this. I really loved it. Now for lips, I'm using Paese lip gloss in shade Sultry. It's non-sticky and is really pigmented and glossy. It has shiny particles in it, which I really love. So this was it for today's video. Here is the no makeup look. I don't have a video for the final look, so I am attaching these screenshots which I took from the video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share it. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.